We have arrived, boys and girls. Woo!
Oh my.
Beautiful. We're gonna do the tent right here. We're gonna check the snow depth right now.
What's your guess?
6 feet.
That's it?
That's quite a bit.
51 inches.
We're getting nowhere.
Come on. What's your guess?
An hour 30.
Hour 20.
Exactly an hour 30.
Actually?
Yeah. Rotten, bro. Unbelievable. Oh, it's getting off a lot for me. Oh yeah. We got the fire going finally. Trick is to bring fat wood with you. Then it's easy to start it up. Just like that.
Oh my. Where do we begin?
Wherever your eyes go first.
No, we'll have to start with potatoes and end off with the best.
A load of firewood. The draft is like 1/4 of an inch. Should last us a good 2 hours. We set alarms every 2 hours. I'm gonna get up for the first half of the night. Ben will get up in the middle and I'll get up in the morning. See you guys in the morning.
Can you show them how much wood is left?
Everything.
Everything. We have maybe like this much.
Yeah.
And that's it. We were expecting to go through that the whole night, like gone, and maybe possibly go outside and get more.
This thing was absolutely incredible. I closed the air vent completely like that, and then this dampener was like at 10 o'clock the whole night. Oh, whoa. I did not expect to see that. Dude, we gotta come out. Wow. This is a solid spot. That's Mount Jefferson right there. Incredible.
Playing that little ballerina.
I got my sauna hat on because it's getting hot in here. And I'm just making some smaller pieces of wood to make the stove burn hotter. The time has come to add a little bit of this essential oil. It contains cedarwood, bay, eucalyptus, and black spruce. So we're gonna do like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 drops for good measure. Get this hot water from here. Whole pitcher. All right. Oh yeah. Oh man, that smell. Oh, it's hot now. Woo, baby. What's the temp? 155. Ready for the steam. Oh my goodness, you guys. That feels incredible. Feels warm outside. You doing okay in there?
Perfect.
Woo! Ah! I tried not to yell, but that's hot. You ready for this, Ben?
Let's go.
Let's go shower in the snow. Oh boy, this could be cold. I haven't done this yet. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's cold! I can't feel myself! Oh, that's colder than water. I'm going in. That actually hurts. I haven't done that before. Oh. Oh. Whoa. That's wickedly cold. Imagine snowmobiles driving by. I have no idea we're having a straight up sauna session.